This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Clarendon Park neighborhood in Uptown, just west of Montrose Harbor and the 9-hole Maravitz Golf Course, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly, full-amenity, new 811 Uptown. I just walked into Unit 1007, a spacious studio. A great kitchen here. Side-by-side, refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. Good cabinet and counter space. Have 9.5 to 10-foot ceilings. Plank flooring that continues throughout the unit. Gray quartz counters, a wide, deep farm-style sink, 4-burner gas range, 42-inch upper cabinets. Checks all the items on your checklist. Then you have a very appealing bath with a wide vanity, designer mirror with embedded lighting, deep soaking tub, drawers in the vanity for storage, and a rain shower head in the shower. Heading further into the unit, first thing you're going to notice is a terrific wall of windows looking out over Clarendon Park, past Lakeshore Drive to Lincoln Park and Lake Michigan. A full-size, front-loading, stacked washer-dryer, some additional storage, enough space in the living, dining, sleeping area to lay out a variety of furniture, a wall of closets, so you have good closet space for a studio, and then these great windows just have a magnetic appeal to them. Looking out over tennis courts, full-length basketball courts, softball fields, Clarendon Park Fieldhouse, and just an awesome suite of amenities in the building itself. Head just north of Lakeview and check out 811 if you're looking for an apartment on the north side of Chicago in an appealing, near lakefront location. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.